Oh hey there, welcome to my bag. I know that no one asked, but let's do a quick what's in my bag. School edition. Wow! Hindi ka gaganon. So the bag that I recently used on the last day since clearance lang naman. But look at my bag! It's still big! It's still big! So as you can see, this bag is a canvas bag from Gentlewoman. Kaya malaki pa rin siya kahit clearance lang. Kasi alam mo yun, may mga bagay na hindi ko malit ko sa bahay lang. Na kailangan dalhin ko talaga siya. Para bang dala ko yung buong bahay namin. Hindi kasi, I feel like I have a lot of essentials that I need. Especially my friends na sometimes sa akin sila nanghihiram. So, you know, I give. Like, pero ayun. Pero sometimes, nalilimutan ko pa din yung pinakakailangan ko, which is a tissue. Like, every time. Kaya nga one time yung friend ko, dala na siya ng isang, like, alam mo yun? Yung isang refill ng, tissue. Ano tawag doon? Basta yun. Yun na nga. Let's get into it. First on the list, okay, this water bottle. This one is the most essential for me. Kasi mabilis mamuhaw. And itong bottle na to, kulang pa to sa akin. Okay, so next is this payong. Actually, nagagalit sa akin yung nanay ko kasi hindi ako nagpapain sa school. Kasi naman, like, dagdag bigat siya. And hindi ko, kapag naman nakalagay siya sa bag ko, hindi ko din siya nagagamit. Pero since it's super hot na talaga, like, no joke, like, hindi na talaga joke yung init sa Pinas. I need to bring this with me na. Even though I'm not the type of person na dadala ng payong kahit sobrang init, kahit. Kasi I feel like I'm protected with the sunscreen. So, hindi naman nag-reapply. Hindi nag-grade 2. Next is this, of course, this essential bag, stash hygiene kit. Papakita ko pa ba? Pero wag na. It's too personal. So, I have here my deo, my sunscreen, hand cream, alcohol, my perfume, napaubos na. Also, this sanitizer. It smells so good. Like, so good. This one is from Bath and Body Works. If you want your hand to smell expensive, then go. And this, what do you call this? This mint refresher spray, like a mouth spray, ganon. And lip care. Ano pa ba? My napkins, my meds. So, ayun. Basically, a hygiene kit. Next naman is this. Of course, hindi mawawala to. This KK kit. And then, next one is, of course, pencil case. So, ngayon naman, hindi naman namin ito kailangan na masyado kasi nga, like, for emergency lang. So, yan. Of course, since it's very mainit, girl, lifesaver. This one is from Jisoo Life and it has a long battery life. And of course, my wallet. Hindi yan mawawala kahit wala na akong pera. And then of course, my ID. And the last on the list is this flashlight. Ayun.
Something in your eyes, tell me who I am. Something in my heart, whenever you're near, you can tell me lies, I can read your heart. Everybody knows, everybody knows, I can hear you whisper, singing songs of Ruby. Is made to bloom. I am made for you. What? You can tell me love. I can read your heart. Everybody knows me. I don't want no opinion. Everybody knows me. Love you. I don't need no permission. Something in your eyes, tell me who I am. What? I can hear you whisper, singing songs of you.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Sige, ulit.
Aking nag-iisang maaaring maay na mapagbigyan. Kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay magkantay lahat kami.
Step right left to my beat, I'll be the best. Like the moon, rock with me, baby. Side step right left to my beat, get it, let it roll. Smooth like, let it roll. Smooth like. Side step right left to my beat. Like the moon, rock with me, baby. Turkish jeans. Side step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll.
So the division of ethical conduct, we have three. Speech, right action, and right behavior. So a logical fallacy in which someone uses force or threat, that is ad vacuum